Toki J Hooligan no. No, in gelatate. Dito. Takal. Tokiของกัดไปหน่อยมันนอนดีน้อย
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be eating hooligans again. I broke my fish, but yeah.
Oh, Greg.
No gray.
No, Greg. Can't do that with the bacon, Greg.
No.
Good job.
Oh, Leo, why are we putting
Thanks
it?
for helping me.
Put it in a bowl.
Say hi, Chaka.
I'm eating that.
Oh, what are you doing?
We don't do that. Let's say hi. Good, say hi.
Say hi.
Yeah.
Eat it slowly.
I'm gonna eat the fish now. The beer.
Which part are you in the tail?
I finished.
The Jogo Hoja.
Hooligan.
Nó không bắt sang nhà đâu. Không có cái gì nữa.
nó nồi còn mẹ nó có cái gì đó. Nó cái đó là
Một bắt xà. Xà rồi. Tổng trái cho mình mua thôi.
sau đó nó mẹ có nó rồi có nó mua
Mỗi từ. Tối từ. Từ với từ Jameson.
chuyện mẹ nào nó có mình ra dưới cả cho nó phải
Leo, you want to try some fish? You không ăn hả?
Lấy nó bông.
Sure. Do it for. Do it for. Yeah, do it for your subscriber. Yep. The first time eating fish.
Like it?
The second time,
Everyone
I mean eating the hooligan fish. Leo first time eating the hooligan fish. Give him the tail. Look at the thing now.
Happy birthday.
Ooh, mama, more. More than that, look at
Eat it. Oh, you don't like the fish? Look, you like the fish because it's so good. Yeah, very good.
Lên nó tụi nó xoay. Xoay nó. Xoay nó một cái lọ to ở bên nọ. Okay, from big bite.
Yeah, just take that. Ah, it's the one I took the tail off.
Say hi, baby. Say hi to your
Friends.
friends.
Hi, friends. See you next time. Bye bye. Just take a big bite on it. Hello.
Không,
Here, come sit. Here, come sit.
Do a big bite.
You're a big butt.
The biggest bite that you can. Giờ lấy chỉ nó toàn to.
Oh my god, the ball.
Oh, the meat just peel right off like that.
That's cool.
See. Oh man, show it to them. Ôi chúng cái nó phò gì vậy? Phò cái off. Ngồi đi rồi. Wow, put a bone here.
No. I just finished with one blanket. Okay, come on, get it. Lay more. No, come on, get it. No, look at that. So, Kenji, now nếu có hang up this year, I wouldn't eat it forever because I would just get over it. So, yeah.
But this is your second time eating it?
It's actually, it just tastes better to me. It just tastes
Better this time?
Yeah.
Lake, come here.
I'm gonna take a big bite, can I?
Yeah. That's a small bite.
It's a big bite.
Lake, come and say goodbye.
Here.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good
On three, say hooligan. 1, 2, 3.
Hooligan! Say again.
Okay, 1.
Hooligan!
Say bye.
Bye.